Today, napunta kami sa Bahong Sunflower Farm. Dito lang sa
Kikikain pa sana kami. Tingnan nyo, may handa.
Ang gaganda ng mga sunflower. Alam nyo ba, ang sunflowers ay symbols of resiliency, endurance, and hope. It also suggests happiness, positivity, strength, as well as growth and confidence. Kaya pag binigyan tayo ng flowers or bouquet ng sunflowers, it is the best way daw to express our joy and appreciation.
100 pesos lang ang entrance dito. Pwede na whole day. Pwede nang mag-relax. Pwede nang magmuni-muni. Kasi sometimes, all we need is a rest. A rest from all our worries, from all our works. Magpahinga ka lang. Pwedeng ikaw lang, pwedeng may kasama ka, pwedeng kasama mo ang pamilya mo or trusted somebody.
Kasi alam nyo, napakahirap na araw-araw pagod tayo. Pagod tayo umintindi. Pagod tayo sa mga trabaho natin. Pagod tayo sa araw-araw na pamumuhay. Kailangan din, we take time to relax. Kasi, sabi nga, we are human beings, not doing beings. And it's good for our mental health and overall being.